Denver Mayor Mike Johnston is focusing in on public safety and policing.
He unveiled his $1.7 billion budget last week, and as Denver 7's Brandon Richard reports, he's calling for more police officers and more alternate treatment programs.
Well, this week, Denver City Council members will be taking a closer look at the mayor's proposed budget and the different areas he wants to spend taxpayer money on. And one of those areas is public safety. As budget season kicks into high gear at Denver City Hall, the mayor and council members will try to figure out the best way to keep Denver safe.
2022 represented a historic high in crime across the city. It's some of the highest rates of crime we've seen in almost 20 years, both from violent crime, from property crimes, from homicide, and we plan to turn that around.
According to a city auditor's report, Denver was 100 officers short in 2022. The report says continuous understaffing puts a strain on officers and makes it more difficult for them to promptly respond to 911 calls.
We know this has been a major crisis. We don't have enough officers to do the work, respond to the calls that residents have.
The mayor wants to spend $8 million to add 167 new police recruits, which he says will put DPD on the path to meet its full authorized strength. But not everyone thinks more officers is the answer.
We've learned in the past that we keep increasing the staffing of our police department, but it's not showing up in a reduction of crime.
Denver City Councilman Paul Cashman told me he's more interested in addressing the root causes of crime.
I firmly believe that we've got to stop the pipeline of people we keep generating that have no other way to get there or feel they have no other way to get their needs met than by turning to crime.
He's pleased to see the mayor wants to spend about $15 million to expand programs that provide help to people suffering from a mental health crisis, limit their interactions with the police, and provide them with alternatives to jail. One of those programs is STAR, which sends mental health professionals and paramedics to nonviolent calls instead of police. STAR has responded to more than 10,000 calls since it began in 2020.
So it's taking a lot of weight off our traditional police officers and putting that on the shoulders of people more appropriately trained to deal with mental health issues.
Council members will get a more in-depth look at the mayor's public safety budget Thursday. In Denver, Brandon Richard, Denver 7.
And Mayor Johnston announced the addition of 3 new positions to his team today to lead equity and innovation and support his office in regional affairs and policy. First, Dr. Ben Sanders, who has committed his career to social justice and organizational change. He will serve as the city's chief equity officer, where he will lead efforts to enhance equity in all city operations. Next, Adam Paul, and Paul is finishing his second term as Lakewood's mayor. We are told he will complete his second term this November before serving as the Director of Regional Affairs in the Johnston administration. And the third appointment is Matt Ball, an attorney and military veteran. And Ball will be taking over as Director of Policy for the City of Denver, focusing on shaping the city's policies.